So in advance ruling, a person has asked whether the brokerage dealer of agriculture produce is exempted or eligible for GS registration. So he is dealing with an agriculture product that is exempted, but he is doing a brokerage. Is he is liable to GS registration? That is a question. Yes, he is registered. He should liable to register for GST. If we are liable to GST registration, do we need to charge GST? Yeah, you are as registration is definite. Yes, and do you need to charge GST? Yes. For what? If yes, what is the rate of GST? The rate of GST is 9%. What they state, it is not the 100%. For example, you're dealing with the exempted goods. Exempted goods like banana, rice, or maybe flowers. It's exempted things. Your vegetables. You are exempted in your dealing. Okay. So, service of wholesale explanation service does not include sale or purchase of goods, but includes service of commission agents and commodity brokers and auctioneers of all other traders who negotiate wholesale commercial transaction between buyer and seller for a fee or a commission. Service of electronic wholesale agents and brokers, service of the wholesale auctioning house. For that 9%, for that service you are charging 9%, not the whole thing. So you should be so you are being intermediate. Farmers are coming to you and they are providing their goods respectively. And you having a place, you're gathering the goods, and the buyers are you're auctioning the goods to the buyer. And for that, you are charging a commission for this auction, respectively 10 percentage of the sale good. On that 10 percentage, you want to pay GST, not the whole value. Okay, that has been this. Advanced Authority ruling of Andhra Pradesh in Andhra Pradesh GST. Gayatri Enterprises done it. Thank you.